The sky ripped open. It happened without warning. A colossal ship, larger than any skyscraper, tore through the fabric of reality. It hovered above New York City, casting an ominous shadow that swallowed the metropolis whole. Terror gripped the hearts of millions. This was not a friendly visit. From the belly of the ship emerged smaller vessels, sleek and predatory. They descended upon the city like locusts, their metallic exoskeletons glinting under the sun. The aliens spilled out, their forms grotesque and unsettling. Their skin was a sickly green, covered in pulsating veins and sharp bony protrusions. They moved with an eerie fluidity, their eyes glowing with a cold, calculating intelligence. Their technology defied comprehension. Weapons hummed with unknown energy, capable of disintegrating buildings in an instant. Their ships moved at impossible speeds, leaving trails of distorted air in their wake. Communication was futile. Our languages meant nothing to them. They did not come in peace. They came to conquer. Their language was a series of clicks and whistles, guttural sounds that sent chills down the spines of anyone unfortunate enough to hear them. They spread like a virus, their technology disrupting our own. Communications were jammed, the internet fell, plunging the world into chaos. Governments crumbled, their armies powerless against the invaders. We fought back. It was our nature. With whatever weapons we could muster, tanks, missiles, even simple firearms, we tried to defend our world. But it was a hopeless struggle. Their technology was far too advanced, rendering our efforts futile. Each attempt at resistance was met with swift and brutal retaliation. Cities were reduced to rubble, millions perished in the blink of an eye. The lucky ones died quickly. Others were captured, subjected to horrific experiments, their screams echoing through the shattered remnants of civilization. The resistance crumbled, hope extinguished in the face of overwhelming power. The end, when it came, was swift and merciless. A final, devastating attack wiped out any remaining pockets of resistance. The skies burned with the fires of a dying planet. The air grew thick with smoke and the stench of death. Humanity, once a species that dreamed of reaching for the stars, was extinguished. The Earth, scarred and broken, became another trophy in their brutal conquest. The silence of extinction settled over the planet, a chilling testament to the power of the invaders and the fragility of life itself. The aliens had won, their victory absolute and undeniable. Their reign had begun, and ours had ended, lost forever in the annals of time.